Hello everyone, thank you very much for watching. This is a series of explanatory videos about German employment law. In this video, we will explain the specifics of German employment law. It can happen that depending on which regulation you read, you will find different information about the same topic. We are going to break down the regulatory system of the German employment law to be able to understand it. The scheme that better explains this system is a hierarchical pyramid. As you can guess, the one located higher is more significant than the one below it. This is called in German Rangprinzip. An example would be, if a law says that an accident occurred during going to work is a work accident, a contract cannot contradict what this rule is saying. So in case a contract says that an accident going to work won't be a work accident, this will be invalid. This Rangprinzip has a very important exception in most of the cases. In case that there is a contradiction, the rule more favorable to the employee will be applied. So only if the regulation below is more favorable for the employee will be applied over the one above. This exception is called Günstigkeitsprinzip. Let's take a closer look at some of the elements in this pyramid. An employment agreement is the contract signed between the employee and the employer. In most of the companies, they have a standard employment contract for all the employees. In a further video, we will explain the typical content of an employment contract. The Works Council Agreement regulates work conditions where no collective bargaining agreement exists. These agreements are very important since once they have been made, they have a binding effect on the individual employment relationship, as a statutory law would. We will dedicate a special video to the Works Council, or in German Betriebsrat, and the Works Council Agreements, in German Betriebsvereinbarung. The collective bargaining agreement is an agreement between an employers' association or an individual employer with a trade union. All the collective bargaining agreements are available in the German Federal Department of Labor, or in German Arbeitsministerium. We will explain the trade unions and how they operate in detail in a further video. Then, we have the statutory laws in Germany. There is not a single law with all the regulations in. There are over 65 laws that are labor law related. We will go through the most important topics in the different videos. Thank you very much for watching. If you have further questions, please leave a comment.